this video I'm going to demonstrate the program feature of the Phoropter module within the Thomson test chart. This feature is incredibly powerful, but it's tucked away at the edge of the screen here, and you just need to click on this bar here to show a list of the various stages in the program. Now this is a really powerful feature because it allows you to put up any lens combination and any test chart simultaneously, and the meaning will become clear in a moment. So for example, one of the things that you might want to do during your eye examination is to compare the patient's old prescription and new prescription. So let me demonstrate how you would set that up within your program list. So firstly, you click on Edit, and we'll just start a new line at the end here. So just click on the line, and you can give this program element any name you like. So I'm going to call it Old RX, both eyes, BE. And in the next box, I select what lens or prescription I want to put in the Phoropter. And so I want to put in the Old RX 1. That refers to the scratch pad. So I want to take the prescription from the Old RX tab of the scratch pad and put it into the Phoropter. And I don't want any auxiliary lenses or occluders because it's both eyes together. So I'm just going to put none there and none there. Now I also want to put up a test chart. Now when I'm comparing an old and new prescription, then I might want a test chart like is showing at the moment. So I'm just going to modify that a little bit. And when I'm happy that I've got the test chart that I want, I click on Record Current Chart Selection. Now I'm going to set up one more line, and I'm going to call this the New RX, both eyes. And this time I want to put in the Final RX. So if I just scroll down a little bit here and select Final RX, that's going to take the Final RX from the scratch pad. And again, I don't want any lenses, so none there, none there. And probably I want exactly the same test chart, so I'm just going to record the current chart selection. So if I now save that, you'll see that I've now got two more lines in my procedure. So what I'm going to do now is just to read in an old prescription. So I'm going to click on RX Import as if you were reading this in from the a patient management system. And you'll see that this has put an old prescription under Old RX1, and I've got a final prescription under Final 1 here. So when I click on Old RX both eyes, like so, it will actually read in the Old RX from the scratch pad here. So that's the prescription it's put into the Phosimeter, and it's also put up the test chart that I selected. If I now click on New RX, it's put in the slightly amended RX taken from Final 1 here, and also showing again the test chart. So we've now got two new steps in our procedure, and I can show the patient the Old RX and the New RX at the click of a button. And you can do exactly the same for any combination of lenses and any test chart. So for example, I've got a Fourier vertical here. If I click on that, it puts up the Maddox rod in the correct orientation for measuring the vertical Fourier, and it's also put up the correct test chart stimulus. And if I click on Fourier horizontal, it does the same, but this time measuring horizontal Fourier with the correct stimulus. And I've got uncorrected vision there, that in the right eye, so it's occluded the left eye and removed all the lenses from the right eye, and the same for the left eye. And these lens and chart combinations can be as complicated as you like. You can copy a procedure item there by clicking on copy and paste it elsewhere. You can move them around, so I can change the order just by moving it up like that. So you can set up as many different stages in your procedure as you like. And as most of us use maybe about 12-15 different stages in a typical refraction, then it means once you've set that up, it really is simply a case of stepping through your procedure, and with a single click you can put in place all the correct lenses and your preferred test chart. So this is a feature that is well worth getting to grips with. You can set up as many procedures as you like, so you can have a different procedure for different optoms, or you could have a different procedure for children and adults, or any combination that you like. So you can have as many different procedures as you like. So this is a really powerful feature.